welcome to the Wonder of the Seas. This is the brand new ship in the Royal Caribbean fleet. Tim and I are so excited to be here for the inaugural cruise. Now the inaugural cruise is leaving out of Port Canaveral and it's 2 quick nights with a stop in Coco Cay. There is the Wonder of the Seas, right there. Gotta walk the plank to get there though. Here is our room. We are in a balcony. So we have an epic view of Port Canaveral.
And it's just us.
I know.
Plenty of room for activities.
Space for just, we can do cartwheels in our own room. This is awesome. Oh my gosh, they have I don't think I've ever been on a cruise ship where they had actual drawers. Have you been in a cruise ship they actually have drawers? I don't think
Royal Caribbean ships.
Oh, do they? I guess I never realized that. That's awesome. So we can totally unpack.
Full closet. That's a much bigger closet than I'm
Oh, is it? Let's see, closet.
And that's nice.
Oh, yeah, that's good space. And I love the couches. Like, the couch is perfect, so we can just sit there and look out. Is this where you're going to be hanging out?
I could do
with that view?
This will work.
This is amazing. And then, of course, this is always the highlight of any cruise, is getting the balcony. Oh, and this is a spacious one. Look at that. This must be how you connect. They just open those. That's kind of cool. What do you think, dude? Are you going to be comfortable?
Oh, yeah. It's been a long time since I've been on a cruise.
So, yeah, we were talking about it. Kelly, Hunter, and I were talking about that it was 2.5 years for us. So...
It's not quite 3 years, because I went in February of 2020.
February of 2020. Yeah, that was, what was that, Star Wars?
I think it was, yeah.
Star Wars on Disney Cruise. So are you happy to be back?
Yes, I am.
This is the first cruise that Tim and I have done by ourselves since before kids, like pre-kids. We did a Royal Caribbean cruise and a Disney cruise, but this is the first cruise with just us.
2003. That was the last time we did one just us.
Aww. All right, you guys know what time it is. Tim, take it away. It's room tour time.
That's us right there.
Oh.
And you're what?
Yes. Do you have a sea pass card or boarding pass?
Yeah.
Oh, do you have it?
I have mine.
Thank you.
You're probably gonna have to have yours.
Just like on our last cruise, you actually have to go to the muster station and check in with the crew member. Once you check in, then you are done. You don't actually have to do the muster drill, which is amazing. You can get the cruise party started. lining was awesome and no line, so I did it back to back. So much fun. Now keep in mind when you do zip lining, you have to have tennis shoes and they have to be tied, or you have to bring socks and they have shoes for you. So keep that in mind if you want to do the zip lining. But amazing, so much fun. You're like at the very top of the ship. Like, look at this. Way up high. Tim, you're magic. You are magic. All right. You got it. You got it.
Because it's using the same.
Yeah. Look at that. So cool. Ooh, and we have housekeeping already.
We have goodies.
Ooh, we have goodies. Look at the little hats.
Nice towels and hats. All right, let's see. See what this hat's all about.
Oh, look at the bottom.
Oh my gosh.
That is coolness. Cool. It smells so fresh in here too.
Yeah, it does. Oh, these are cool. Very nice material. Take that out. Wonder, 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 wonder.
Nice. Ooh, those are nice.
Who wrote the book of love? It's very comfortable.
I like it. Very cool. This is dinner number 1 of how many? Maybe tonight? 3, 4?
Sad to see. I couldn't resist this El Loco Fresh. Looked amazing.
Yeah, that looks really good.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a late night with all the shows, so we're stopping by Starbucks to get a coffee.
Oh, she's not got a little bootleg and everything. Now those are not enough cookies to go round, are they? Selfish! You just choose where we're going, you know. Start spread. I mean, that's how an elevator works.
If we just stay here, they
Well,
can just
you
play
can do that too. Start spreading them.
We are back in the room after seeing the show, The Effectors. Wasn't quite what we expected, but it was still kind of a cool show, especially the drones. The drones were amazing. They actually came out into the audience and moved around, and it was kind of like a light show. That part was seriously, seriously cool. But we are back in the room. The ship is rocking a lot tonight, which is kind of crazy. So I'm gonna open the door and see if I can see some of the waves, but it's definitely rocking. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Our first day here on the Wonder of the Seas. Make sure you click that red subscribe button and join us for our next adventure at Coco Cay. Keep on dreaming. We'll see you then. Bye. Love you all.